Hi, I wanted to show you two things in BearCAD that I haven't seen in other CAD software, but that I think is pretty cool. So let me make some shapes. I'll make two cubes. So I'm going to extrude these. Alright, now I have two cubes. One cool thing in BearCAD is when you want to select something and there's a whole bunch of things that you could select that are under your cursor, it's hard to always pick the right thing. So if you press spacebar, it will hover and show you. I could pick one of these vertices, these edges, or these faces. So let's say I want to pick that face. And so it makes it really easy to pick whatever you want when it's crowded. That's one cool feature. The other is I like how movement works. So let's say I want to move this cube over here, and I want to rotate it. So I select this, and I want this corner to end up right here, but I want to rotate that corner in. So I would pick as the second point this one, and then I can choose that, and it will rotate that corner over. And you can see that it shows you how it's rotating. And if I wanted to rotate to a different corner, I could rotate it over there or over here. Anyway, I think that's a fun way to do stuff.